Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be talking about eyelash placement. I have my two eyelashes already over here. They're already cut to the size of my lashes, and I'm going to be showing you how by you placing your eyelashes in certain areas, how it makes your eyes look droopy, how it makes your eyes look more full. So I just want to go in and tackle those two things today. So if you want to know how to place your eyelashes, all you gotta do is keep on watching. So guys, as I said at the beginning of the video, I've already went and snipped these according to the size of my eyelashes. So now I just went in and I applied the glue. I'm just waiting for this to get tacky, and yeah, we're going to start applying these lashes. So the glue that you're using is very important because you want the glue to be actually really tacky, and also you want the glue to be long lasting and not give you problems throughout the day. So here they've already got the glue on, so I'm just waiting for it to get a little bit tacky. So guys, on this side we're going to be using the correct eye, on this side is the incorrect eye. So what we're going to be doing on this side of the face is one finger space, baby finger space, press it here, and thereafter then apply your lash. So it's one baby finger space and then apply the lash and then press it down. Ta-da! Now I'm just going to press that in. That's what it would look like. Now, on the side, if we bring it too close, that's what it's going to look like. See at the end? See, look at this. It ends there, whereas it's supposed to end there. So, look at the placement of this. So it makes the whole eye look like it's slammed. Now, if we remove it from there, and if we bring it out, it's going to make the eye look droopy. So as I said, the correct way, one baby finger space. Place it there. Thereafter, press it down, and you are done. So guys, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out, guys.